Welcome back. This is part 4 of this tutorial on how to make this crochet monkey. If you need to get to part 1, the link is in the description. So far we have made the body, 2 arms, the mouth, and the eye pieces. Now we're going to make the ears. So use your color buff or whatever color you used to make the mouth and eyes. Begin with a magic circle. And you're going to need 6 stitches in this magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So go ahead and close up your circle. Okay, for row 2, we're going to do 2 single crochets into each stitch. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, for row 3, we're going to be doing 1 single crochet into the first stitch and then 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet into the next stitch. And then 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. And you're just going to repeat this pattern all the way to the end. Okay, so that was row 3. And now you should have 18 stitches around, if you like to count. Row 4, we're going to go ahead and do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to crochet 2 together. So 1 single crochet and then crochet 2 together. If you need a refresher, you're going to go into the stitch, pull through, and then into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So 1 single crochet and then crochet 2 stitches together. And we're going to continue this all the way around. Okay, so now you should have 12 stitches around again, and just fold this the right way because it'll want to fold in on you. Now for row 5, we're going to do 1 single crochet in the first 4 stitches, and then we're going to crochet 2 together. So let me show you here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're going to crochet 2 together. And now you will have 10 stitches around. Okay, for row 6, we're just going to do 1 row even, so 1 single crochet in each of the 10 stitches. Okay, after you got your 10 stitches, go ahead and just do a slip stitch into the next stitch. So this is my 10th stitch still. Okay, so then a slip stitch. And then cut off probably about at least 10 to 12 inches so that you have some yarn tail left to weave in the ear. Just pull through. Okay, so this is the little ear for the monkey. So go ahead and rewind the video and make 1 more of these ears, and I will meet you back here and we'll get started with the legs. Okay, you now should have 2 ears made. So now we're gonna set these aside and we're gonna go ahead and start with the legs. To begin with the legs, you're gonna use the same color you just used for the ears. My color is buff. You're gonna make a magic circle. And the magic circle needs to have 6 stitches in it. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go ahead and close your circle up. Okay. Row 2 is 2 single crochet into each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so that was row 2, and you should now have 12 around. So we're going to do row 3, and that is 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 single crochets in the stitch after that. So 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochets into the next stitch. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. So 1 single crochet, and then 2 into the next stitch. Okay, and that's the end of row 3. So row 4 is 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So I'll go ahead and start it with you, and then I will have you pause your video and we will meet back at the marker. So you should have 18 stitches around. You're not increasing or decreasing, so it's 1 single crochet in each of the 18 stitches. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you back at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 4. I just need to put this last single crochet in here. Okay, now we'll begin row 5. Row 5, again, is 1 single crochet in each of the 18 stitches around. So go ahead and complete row 5, and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 5. Just have a couple more stitches to do here. Okay, again, you should have 18 stitches around, and now we're going to begin row 6. Row 6 is again 1 single crochet in each stitch. However, we're going to be changing colors at the end, so meet me right before you're about to finish your row 6. I'll go ahead and pause this video. Go ahead and pause yours, and we'll meet back at the marker. Okay, so I'm at the end of my row 6. I just have this last stitch to do. And we're going to be changing colors to the color used for the body, which I'm using Cafe Latte. So you go like you're going to complete your next single crochet, but you stop, and this is where you're going to add the new color of yarn. Okay. So go ahead, yarn over, and pull through the new color. Go ahead and put your marker in that stitch you just made, and then go ahead and do a single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so you can go ahead and cut your first color of yarn, and then like you've seen in the hands, like what I'd like to do is knot these together because it's going to be on the inside and nobody's going to see it anyways. Okay, so let's start with our row 7. So row 7 is 1 single crochet in the first stitch and then 2 together. So we already did the 1 single crochet in the first stitch. So now we're going to go ahead and crochet 2 stitches together. And we're just going to repeat this around. 1 single crochet and then crocheting 2 stitches together. Okay. That was the end of our row 7. Now, for rows 8 to 19, we're going to be doing 1 row even, so 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches that you now have. So to keep on track, I'm going to start each row with you and finish each row and start the new row with you, so that way that we're on the same page. But I'll pause the video in between so we can work our rows individually to save some time on this video. So go ahead and start your row 8. It's 1 single crochet Yeah, I don't know if you heard that loud bang, my cat's being bad. 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches. So I will go ahead and pause this video, you pause your video, and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 8. I just need to do 2 more stitches. So let's go ahead and start row 9. So 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. Go ahead and pause your video and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 9. Just a couple stitches left to do here. And now let's start row 10, which is 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches. You can pause your video and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, at the end of my row 10, alright, so let's go ahead and start row 11. Row 11 is 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. So go ahead and finish your row 11 and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 11. So let's go ahead and start row 12, which is again 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So go ahead and pause your video and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 12. Just need to put this final stitch in here. So let's go ahead and begin row 13, which is 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. You can go ahead and pause your video and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 13. Put this last stitch in here. And let's start row 14. 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. And you can go ahead and pause your video and I will meet you back here at the marker. Alright, at the end of row 14. On to row 15. 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. And you can go ahead and pause your video and I will meet you back at the marker. Okay, at the end of row 15. Just 1 more single crochet. And now let us start row 16. 4 more rows, guys. So 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. And you can pause your video and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 16. Now we're starting row 17. So 1 single crochet in each of the stitches around. Go ahead and pause your video and I'll meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of row 17. So let's begin row 18. 1 single crochet in each of the 12 stitches around. Pause your video and I will meet you back here at the marker. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 18. Just have these 2 stitches left. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin row 19. Row 19 is the final row of 1 single crochet in each stitch round. So go ahead and do your row 19 and I'll meet you back here at the marker. Okay, so I'm at the end of my row 19. I'm just going to put this final single crochet in here. Okay, so just pull up the yarn because now we're going to stuff the leg. Okay, so you want to get the stuffing down into the foot real good. And then you also want to stuff the bottom part of the leg. So I got stuffing to about right here. You can't really see inside there, but you want to leave the top portion of the leg free of stuffing because you want it to be able, well, you're going to stitch it to the bottom for one, and then you want it to have flexibility. If you stuffed it all the way up, it'd be like real tight and it wouldn't be able to move. So once you got stuffing to about right here, you're going to go ahead and put your hook back in. And we are going to crochet the tops of these together. So go ahead and insert into your next stitch and then find, so let me see, if you squish it together, okay, so I need to go into here, into this stitch. Once you find the first stitch that you need to go into, the other ones will be easier to find. And then you're gonna single crochet these together. So then insert into your next stitch and then just straight across into the next stitch and single crochet. Okay, so now the leg is sealed. Go ahead and leave yourself a long yarn tail. Okay, and there's your leg. So you're going to need 2 legs. So rewind the video to 10 minutes and 20 seconds and I will meet you back here with 2 legs. Okay guys, you should now have 2 legs made. So this is the end of part 4 of how to make this monkey crochet tutorial. When I get part 5 uploaded, the link will be in the description. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you back here for part 5.